Hey you guys, welcome back to Lisa and Company. It has been way too long, but I'm back. I am back in the saddle and I am ready to get to work, and I am standing by my new coffee bar. So all kinds of stuff in today's video for you. I'm gonna give you an empty house tour, and the best part, we're doing a collaboration with my friend Sonia over at Domestic Diva. So there is a whole playlist linked below of great content. So make sure you go and check it out. Make sure you check out Sonia's channel. I have linked that too. All right, you guys, I don't want to keep you here too long. I just wanted to say that I've missed you like crazy. I can't wait to show you the new house. I can't wait to get back to work. I can't wait to, well, I just can't wait. Life is good, right? Let's do this. Hey, you guys, we just arrived at the new house. Let's go inside. If you like DIY decor and design on a budget, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss anything here at Lisa and Company. Hey you guys, I am in the front hallway and I kind of want to show you some of the plans that we have along here. So let's see. Okay, so this is the garage door. And if you remember what we did at the old house, I had that beautiful mirror and the little shelf. So I'm going to kind of do the same thing here. Right behind the door, I can't put a piece of furniture here because the door opens right against the wall, but I think this would make a great gallery wall with some of those Dollar Tree gallery wall things that we already made. So right here, I've got this perfect little wall right at the front entrance. I'm gonna call my Kate Spade dresser right there, and an enormous mirror. I do find without the lights on, this house can be a little bit dark. So the more mirrors I put into it, the better. In the living room, well, you guys, this is going to be a constant source of styling, staging, and inspiration. I'm really excited for this. And we discovered, this is kind of cool. Let me just show you. So there's all these weird little hidden storage things. This one right here is actually where you put all your components, so it's completely hidden. So I'm kind of jazzed because I hate wires. So we're gonna put the furniture in here. We're gonna do something really different up here. This is gonna be where the dining room furniture goes. And I'm actually swapping out the use of a lot of the furniture. That's gonna be where those yellow hutches are. Now, okay, so I told you guys this was a rental, and that means there's also somebody who lives in the lower level. So this is like a staircase to nowhere, and although it's gonna look absolutely stunning at Christmas and maybe in the fall, I wanna do something big right here. Like I'm thinking tons of shelves, lots of artwork. I just wanna fill it. What do you think? Should I paint it an accent color? Tell me down in the comments what you would do with this section. And don't tell me you would leave it blank, because you know I'm not going to. Okay, now this is fun because this is, to me, a really cool kitchen for a rental. I guess I just didn't think I'd find something this nice. So what do we got here? Well, this little area right here, we're calling Izzy's baking station. So we're gonna have all of the goodies in there. We're gonna put some really pretty stuff on the shelves. We'll put the KitchenAid mixer there, and I'm actually thinking I might add some cupboards under there, although I do have a really pretty chair that we can put there. And this, my friends, this right here is our new coffee bar. So Izzy and I decided to treat ourselves to a new Keurig that froths milk as part of our housewarming gift to ourselves. And we're gonna style up those shelves every single season, and it's gonna be stunning. Now this is a tiny kitchen, so I'm really, really glad that we have this enormous pantry, because that's really gonna help us out. Because if you look on this side, not a ton of kitchen. Although it's pretty and it's got a gorgeous counter and I love the appliances, not a ton of space. When we got here today, this had been left here for us. But I am just so touched. Everybody who knows me knows that this has been a really tough year. Tough moving out of my house today. So this was really, really welcome. And this is a great way for a new beginning for us. Now, you guys all know what an important part of my life Charlie is, so it's only fitting that my first DIY in this new house is all about him. Today's video is in collaboration with my good friend Sonia over at Domestic Diva. I was super excited when she asked me to co-host today because she is a superstar of everything. DIY, cleaning, organizing, and cooking. She does it all. Go check out her channel and don't forget to check out the playlist full of amazing content linked below. Today's DIY is a mirror from Target that I'm going to repurpose, and I'm going to be using this great sticker from Dollar Tree. So I have already taken this outside and primed it because in my opinion, anytime you're going to be painting on glass or a mirror or any shiny surface, you want to use a really good high adhesion primer. I have trimmed up the sticker and I'm just trying to see how we're going to place it. I want to really keep it in that sort of box created by those four corners, and I want it to be nice and centered in this space. I feel like I don't even have to tell you this part, but we're going to go ahead and use my favorite Rust-Oleum chalked paint in linen white. I have to actually use a paintbrush to paint it with because I can't find any of the smaller craft brushes, and I'm using scissors to open it. Then we're going to do some accents in the country gray Rust-Oleum chalk paint. Alrighty, it's all painted up, and I'm going to tell you guys I should have spray painted the whole thing. Now, I wanted to do something a little bit different to put the gray paint on. You've seen me dry brush, I don't know, like 6 million times. So I'm taking a damp paper towel. It's not wet, it's damp. And I'm just gonna rub on the gray paint because I think it's gonna give us a nice, smooth finish, and I'll be able to leave as much as I want while using that damp paper towel to take off just as much as I want. So what I've learned about this technique is it's basically foolproof. Where I had added a little bit too much, I could just take it off or pick it up and move it to another place. And where I had taken a little too much off because it was damp, I could just really blend in a little bit more of the gray. I'm not worried about getting any on the actual surface of the mirror / sign because I can just touch that up with a little bit more white paint. I'm absolutely loving this, and yes, you are going to see more of this. Now we know exactly where these go, so we're going to start peeling these stickers apart and popping them right in. Now, here's the best way to do this, and I have learned it from trial and error. When you peel the sticker off, which is absolutely the easiest part, when you place it down on your sign, don't press it into place. Wait until you have all the pieces, and then when you're satisfied with the placement, go ahead and press them down with your fingertips. Until then, you might have to move it, just like I had to do with one of these pieces. Once that's all done, we're going to hit this baby with some Mod Podge. We do that because these stickers are good, but they're not the best, and it provides a nice even sheen over the entire sign. Just finishing touches. And just like that, we're done. My very first DIY in the new house, and it's all about my fur baby. I really hope you enjoyed this video today. I really hope you enjoyed seeing the new house, and I cannot wait to see in your comments all the things you think I should do, your feedback on the things I talked about. I can't wait to get started on this house and this new journey in my life. And I can't wait to take you guys along with me. Thanks so much for joining me today. As always, Izzy and I love having you along. Make sure you've hit that subscribe button so you know every time we upload a video. Don't forget to follow us over on Instagram and Facebook at Lisa and Company, and here's a couple more videos for you to check out. Thanks again for stopping by, you guys. We'll see you next time.